Hi, my name is David Sanchez. We are located here in San Antonio, Texas, kind of on the north central side of the city, part of the city. We began organic gardening here on this location. We're on about roughly half an acre of land. When we first purchased the place, it was just all full of grass and weeds and trees and so forth. Initially, we didn't have any idea of what we were going to do with this property. I just liked cutting the grass. Now we have no grass at all. The front yard is, we've turned into a garden, and this whole backyard, which is pie-shaped, and so it just opens up. If you were to go beyond our back fence line, there's about a 70-foot drop. It's a large waterway creek. Anyways, we began organic gardening about 26 years ago, and this is, you can see, I have gained some of my experience from a couple of men here in San Antonio. One is Bob Webster, and the other is Malcolm Beck. And I was also, as a little boy, my grandfather kind of inspired me to garden. He had a beautiful, he could produce some of the finest vegetables in the world, and we just, as little kids, enjoyed anything that he grew, and so he kind of inspired me. And anyways, we've given a name to our little garden. It's called the Bible Garden of San Antonio, and I forgot the book, but it's a book that my wife bought me years ago. It's called Planting a Bible Garden. So we were kind of motivated by that. We've tried to implement a lot of the plants that are mentioned in the Bible. For instance, this tree right here, this is an olive tree. This particular variety comes from Spain. It is called an Arbequina. Off to my right, we have a larger one. Anyways, we're going to be doing videos kind of on a regular basis, giving some tips on organic gardening. We're strictly organic. We don't use any synthetic fertilizers or pesticides at all. And we'll be giving tips and letting you know when to start planting things and how we have become somewhat successful in growing our own vegetables, fruits, herbs, things like that. That's it for today. Thanks. Bye-bye.